Greetings and salutations. It is Carla from MooreTalkJa. And so me did tell you say me did that this is a fitness journey vlog. So I'm telling you say me did I get the turbo fire. Turbo fire reach. Turbo fire reach. Charlene is here in the building with me. We are present together and we are working. All of us working together for good. Now, before I go any further, I want to say this. To the man who live downstairs from me, if me can hear you when you are walk, me know say you can hear me when I am jumping. But them say go hard or go home. Naturally we going hard. Come in a plan for go on my yard. So you just have to take the jump up and down for your time because me could have rent out space at the gym, but me not see why me feel walk up and down like me is not have no way to live. Me just a nomadic person. I rent out space for me pay my rent. I pay my rent. So just as I will not pay for my cable and walk up and down to people, barbershop and hairdresser to catch the things that are coming on Maury, I will not pay rent and go and work out anywhere else. So we're going to have to come to an understanding. I will work out at what is considered decent hours of the day and you will take it. And I will try to get to exercise, man. Anyway, read them up. So the something them reach, right? But do my little workout and so when I did I do the workout, I put on t-shirts, because the place cold and I said, yeah, me need to build up, heat so I can't sweat. Yeah, after the first 3 minutes of me that I draw off the t-shirt like when at man day in a party and ready for show, I've t-shirt gone because a piece of heat come down and my body is something that Charlene had me do it. No, another further 6 minutes pause and then this was me. Just I look on her, coming in what she do. I don't know what she's doing. I'm going to tell you why. All right, so I'm doing the prep week, right? Well, not the prep week. It's the prep program. It's 9 weeks that you do before you move into the official thing. The reason that you do this is them ask you if you can do whatever sustained exercise, if you have any strong knee and joint and all of them something there. If you don't have those things, then you need to do the prep week. So I have those things, but I always throw my body into these very intense workout programs and then fail out because I get too tired. I just can't bother. Them start annoying me. So I have decided that I am not going to do that. I'm going to ease myself in and do the thing gently. So I'm going to do the prep week. So when you do the prep week now, or the prep period, you do fire starter. It's like a fire starter pack something. When you do the workout, them and you do them for the first time, if you do the official workout, them it have something that says new to class. You click new to class and then she show you all of the something where you're supposed to do so you can get them. She not just fling it in. Fire starter, which I think is probably something that them would have like it, them probably just like mail it out to people who want to try out the thing. Fire starter, and I have that. So Charlene just tell the thing about front kick, back kick, knee. All of them type of something. And me just say a front kick, back kick, and knee and upsize that she want me to do. So after that time, I just stand up and look and she and the people in my prance up and down like gazelle because I have no idea what it is that they're doing. Granted, she does them enough times, you begin to pick them up. And I'm going to be doing this quite a few times over the next little bit. So, but that is one issue I have with it. The second thing is that you cannot log the fire starter on teambeachbody.com. I'm tracking my workouts with teambeachbody.com. When we go over there, them don't have anything. So I just have to do like a fire easy 30 new to class. That me just have to click something and put it in there so that it can log the fact that I've done a workout because fire starts and anything. Anyways, it's a only part of things they have to do. So whatever. So Charlene reach, she come in a whole heap of things. You get this, and then you get this, and then you get like one other something still in the box. So you get them something here like that green something. I'm thinking tie around the foot. And then this is one other resistance band. I don't really know what this is for, but my figure said them are gonna tell me eventually. And then you get this to measure your body. To measure my body. Enough time now me I do workout and them something and them gonna tell me something for measure and I'll take resting heart rate this morning. Me do everything what them tell me for do. I mean it this time. Measure my body, all of them something here, and then she give you that something you know to tell you what you have to expect, and then now she give you that part here to teach you how to cook something them. So now that brings me to the second part of my diatribe. Now everybody knows that. Remember everybody, those of you who watch, and thank you for watching, I appreciate love it, know that I've been trying to do this fasting / clean eating something, right? So for the past 2 weeks, 3 days out of the week, I only eat raw fruits and vegetables, very little fruit juice, water, and some nuts. Fine. First week, giddy up my running. I say, Ray, nothing like this. Yeah, nothing like fruits and stuff to me. Ray, my apple. Boom, so. You see the second week? Oh, me I dream about bread. Oh, me I dream about chocolate. Me start fantasize about yogurt. Me start fantasize about low-fat vanilla yogurt because I could not have it. Me say it draw me out like you would not believe. I could not function. First week was alright. You see the second week, it's like the shine did rub off of the something and I realized, no, I just really raw fruit and something I go eat. I nearly couldn't do it. I tell it not easy. It never easy. But I went online and I looked up some raw food alternatives or raw food things that you could eat for fasting purposes. So it's not raw food things that, you know, by the time it don't mix up, it's just a cheap way to eat the burger. Like it's actual raw food things for fasting purposes. So I'm going to be doing some of those. When I'm not eating the raw food, I am trying to eat the things that come in this guide here where Charlene give me. So one egg something here where she said I can make it on the microwave. So when you know say I can cook, right? So anytime them say microwave, I say boom. So I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna put up the picture right here. See there? It's almost favor it. It's almost favor it. Them have a white bowl, me have a clear bowl. For them bowl square and my own round, but it's almost favor it. And it's 2 times I make it because it's nice. The second time I did get up it here, add tomato and something nearly never cook, but it was so close. And then these are the other things that I've been eating, like on the raw food something. You see, yeah, just a bag of salad. Like right now I have 1 salad and 1 fruit plate just cut up in the fridge, ready for go, and all of them something here. I treat myself to bananas, like when I eat the banana, like when we used to go Burger King go eat the number 2. Yeah, like I just them something there. But it's working. I mean, I need to go and find somebody with a scale, but I have lost some weight and I do feel healthier and my skin is looking better and I don't feel so much like I want to dead at the start of the fasting. So it is working. There is hope. If anybody wants to join me in this raw food thing, you know, I invite you, you know, me had 4 days this week. Me had 4 days this week. I have set my own, but me have a lunch date with Maddie. Me have to eat salad on the lunch date there. I'm gonna have to eat salad on that lunch date because we are doing 4 days this week. What else again? Me just tell you now. Me cook the food tastes good. Me do my workout them. My fitness a turn up. Me don't feel like me have anything else to tell you now. Me don't know. If you don't have any question, please write in and ask me. Remember, say something here. These videos are migrating over to the station right here. I apologize to anybody who don't like the name of the station. I'll see if I can get it changed. But the station came up at a time when really that's how I was feeling. So right here, over there. Please go and follow me over there. I feel like I have something else happen. I'm tell you, you know. And I can't remember. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next vlog. So fitness journey, I don't know which entry this, but Charlene is here and we are taking it to them hard. At 3 months this, you know, plus me just add 9 weeks, right? So a long something. Me I go still be doing this when my birthday come around. But remember what I say. If you want to join me, go over to BeachBody, go to More Fitness. Follow me on Twitter at More Mayhem. Subscribe on all of them something there, cause you know we need all the love and the support that we can get. You know the suffering youths. These are no 8 minutes. All right, me don't know. Thank you. Enjoy your Sunday. I'm gonna go make a piece of salmon with a small sweet potato and a large salad back of that. Day badness back of that. Okay.